welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle and I make beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos, okay? In this video, I'm gonna be installing this wig that you guys see. I'm gonna be teaching you how to melt your lace and just explaining some different things that will give you tips and tricks to lay your lace better, okay? You should leave here learning something, okay? But you guys, if that sounds like something you're interested in, just stay tuned and be sure to thumbs up this video, be sure to share this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, as you all heard in the intro, we are doing a beginner-friendly wig install tutorial, y'all. I'm excited about this video because I actually haven't sat down and done a YouTube video in really about a year. So y'all, if you catch me not looking actually at the camera, that's fucking why. But yeah, you guys, we're installing this 13x4 lace wig. It came from one of my vendors. I'm actually testing their wigs out to see if I want to go ahead and sell their wigs. I do have a raw vendor and a virgin hair vendor that I provide the hair for my clients if they would like. Because if you guys didn't know, I do hair. But yeah, y'all, this is a 22-inch wig. Don't know if I said it. As you guys can see, I have a do-rag on. I've had these cornrows in for about 6 weeks now. They're crusty as fuck. But what you want to do is if your hair is cornrowed back, you want to go in and push your edges back. And when I mean push your edges back, I mean slick them back. However, whatever terminology you want to use, you're either going to use got to be spray or you can use Ebin lace spray. Everybody knows after you slick your edges back, it's time for the bald cap. And you're gonna do your bald cap with either a regular wig cap or an HD wig cap. I don't have an HD wig cap to show you, but literally the fabric is just thinner. That's it. When laying your cap, you can either use freeze spray, got to be, you can use Ebin lace spray, or you can use whatever glue of your choice that you're gonna use to glue your lace down, okay? Okay, y'all. I know I look retarded as fuck, but I chose to go ahead and glue my cap down. Today we are using Bold Hold Active, all right? Because we be getting active. But when you're gluing your cap down, just make sure if you're using freeze spray or any type of got to be gel that you are 100% letting it dry down. That is why when you guys are cutting your caps off, you're experiencing ripples and rolling up and stuff like that because the cap is not fully dry. Okay, but I went ahead and cut my cap off camera, as you can see. And the next step is matching the cap to your skin, okay? And there's a couple ways you can do this. The first way you can do this is with tinted lace spray. My favorite is Ebin, as you guys can see. It's literally an aerosol can. You spray it on the cap, and you can also spray this on your lace, and that's it. You let it dry and go ahead. Another way you can match your bald cap with your skin is by using cream foundation. My favorite cream foundation to use on lace and on my bald caps is Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I know you guys have seen this everywhere. On every wig video you done seen this. So if you don't want to go ahead and use the aerosol lace tint, go ahead and get this. It comes in a variety of shades for us brown girls and it's not going to disappoint. Next is tinted lace powder. So instead of it being cream foundation, it is powder foundation. This one is Red by Kiss. I will say with this though, if you do not get your right shade, it will look a little bit chalky, a little bit ashy, the tone, you know. Last but not least, for my girls on a budget, go to the beauty supply store and get you a contour palette with multiple shades. Find your shade, use it. But the same rules apply with the tinted lace powder as this. If it is not your right shade, it may come off a little bit ashy, so you gotta be careful of that. All right, y'all, I went in with the Ebin tinted lace spray in medium dark brown. And now the next step is going to be cleaning our skin and prepping it for the install. All right, you guys, when you're prepping your skin, all that means is to make sure your skin is clean. You can prep your skin with alcohol. I recommend between 70 and 90% because 99 can burn the skin, y'all. Witch hazel, which is very gentle on the skin, but it's an astringent. Or you can use micellar water, which will do the same thing. It'll clean the skin, but it's very gentle on your skin at the same time. And now, once your skin is clean, you're gonna go in with a skin protectant. I have the Bold Hold skin protectant and I have the Ebin skin protectant. There's not a difference between this wig, I believe. Well, I honestly didn't ask them what size the cap was, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Okay. I am gonna have to go in and pluck it a little bit more, but you just wanna look in correlation to the edges of your cap where the hair falls, just in case, you know what I'm saying, you can't pluck as much, you know. but we're looking pretty good. And it actually fits very well. But I do have to see what size this cap is, y'all. But yeah, next step is laying the glue. So the next thing we're gonna do is lay the glue. And there's 3 ways you can do this. You can use popsicle sticks, you can use the rat tail of the comb, or you can get old school and literally use your fingers. Honestly, if you're a beginner, your fingers might be the easiest way, but it's messy as fuck at the same time. My favorite way is popsicle stick. Literally, everybody's gonna tell you to dot it. I kinda dot it, I kinda don't. I literally just put what I think is a good amount and I literally start smoothing. Like, I literally just start smoothing. Granted, I've been doing this a while, so it's a little bit easier for me. So if you need to start with less glue, please start with less glue. But yeah, popsicle stick method is the easiest method for me. If you were to use your fingers, like I said, it's definitely easier. Come on, glue. Don't die, baby, don't die. Oh my God, y'all. There we go. And like, you would literally just take your finger and smooth it. I don't have my glasses on, but I feel like I'm doing a good job. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 layers, and then I'm gonna come back to lay the legs. All right, y'all. Now that our 3 layers of bowl hold have turned clear, y'all wait till this shit turn clear. We're gonna go ahead and apply our wig. Normally, y'all, I like to secure it in the back first before I pull the wig up, and I try to make sure it's centered in the back of my head to make sure my temples line up where they're supposed to go. Both feel like they're over my ear. So now I'm gonna pull forward, and I'm gonna push down. Ooh, try not to get your finger in the glue. So what you're gonna do is take a comb, and you're literally just gonna comb it. Just comb it. Just comb it like you combing your hair, child. And once you comb it in there really good, we're gonna take our band and put our band on, and what you can't say. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead off camera and cut the side tabs, and I did have to relay a little bit of lace on this side, but I did that because I wasn't gonna be able to do that shit on camera. But I will show you guys with this front little section how I cut my lace. I use scissors and the razor. I cut little slits with the scissors. Y'all know, y'all watch E Kane, y'all know this part. And then, but my head is kind of small, y'all, so sometimes I have to like cut hair off, if that makes sense. But if you have to do that, it'll be easier to just part it. Where'd my razor go? As I was saying, it's easier to just part the hair off that you know you're gonna cut, and literally put the razor right there and literally lift it up. Be careful though, like, because if your razor is not sharp, you can cut yourself very badly. Okay. Okay, now that that's done, y'all, we're gonna go in with our Wonder Lace spray, and we're gonna spray that on, and we're gonna put the band back on and let that shit set. I don't know how I'm styling my hair, you guys. That's why I didn't part off any edges yet. But we're gonna put the band back on. Oh shit. We're gonna put the band back on. And I'll see you guys in a second. I'm thinking side part. What y'all thinking? Yeah. I look silly as fuck. But you're gonna go ahead now and respray your lace. You can either respray your lace with lace spray, that's what I'm gonna do, or you can go in with this melting spray by Ebin. I'm gonna use it just at the very end. All right, y'all, now that the band is back on, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them down now. I'm just gonna use a fucking razor. Like my temples that long. Now, if you like big baby hairs, you know, cut them a little longer, but I normally like my baby hair short, so. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead off camera and did my edges, y'all. I had to take a break, cause, you know, I can't see. And y'all, oh my God. And y'all, I had to pluck a little bit more hair out of this lace, cause this hairline was thick, okay? Like, it was thick as fuck. Hey y'all, I had to go in the bathroom and do my part off camera because I don't have no mirror in front of me. I'm literally just doing this shit in my phone. But I'm gonna go in with my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm literally just gonna put that on the part. And I also am gonna go in the middle just to make sure this shit get flat for real. Just to make sure. This is my hot comb. What do I have it on? I have the settings go to 20. I have it on 15. So it's kind of like, I honestly don't know what that is. I just know it works. And I'm literally just going to continue hot combing the other side of the front. That wax stick is the truth, y'all. Yeah. But y'all, this is the wig. I'm about to trim it because I trim all my wigs, y'all. This one was from my affordable vendor. So it's a little fucking thin, for real. I thought it was thicker than this when I was waving it around. But yeah, I'm not really scared to cut my hair. You see, that looks so much fucking better. Yeah. But I can't decide if I want to straighten it or curl it, y'all. I may do a styling video tomorrow if I decide what I want to do. But I am going to go ahead and wrap this up. Okay, y'all? My final step before I go to bed, I am going to put this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Melting Spray on my lace. This is going to be the final step of meltation, honey. Okay? Literally. The first night that I do my hair, or first day I get my hair done, I can sleep with my elastic band on. Now, I don't know about other people, but I can. I'm not gonna sweat it off. But y'all, damn, I broke the spray. Difficulties are over. I'm just gonna go on there like this. This would act as spritz. This literally does the same thing spritz does. But I'm just gonna rub it all over this lace, baby. Because it was looking crazy earlier, but you gotta trust the process. You gotta trust the process. And now, band. Okay, y'all. For now, this is the final look. I'm just gonna leave the hair in its natural state, at least for me to go to work tomorrow, because your girl's tired as hell. But I want to thank y'all for watching this video. I hope I taught y'all something. I hope if you was confused about something, I cleared it up. If there was anything that you guys felt like I forgot to mention or didn't go into detail about, just let me know down below. And also be sure to share this video with your friends, y'all. I swear I'm pretty cool. But I will see y'all in my next video.